Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. Today I've decided it's rainy outside, so I decided I'm gonna fix some soup. And I'm just gonna use what I have on hand, and I'm just gonna throw a bunch of stuff together in my Instant Pot and see how it turns out. I've got it on saute, and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I got some lean ground beef. I'll wash my hands really well. I'm going to season this in layers. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. Then I've got some onion powder and garlic powder. I'm going to mix it together and add a little bit of that. I've got this little meat chopper. This is the lean ground beef, so there won't be any grease come off of it. Okay, to this, I had some little smoked sausages left, so I cut them up in little pieces. I'm gonna add this to it. I'm gonna brown these together. So now I want to add my onions and my peppers. I've got a yellow bell pepper and a Vidalia onion. Add this to it. You can add whatever color pepper you want to add to it. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more salt, pepper, and some more garlic and onion powder. And saute these together. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. See that brown bits on the bottom? Once I add the chicken broth, all that will come up, and that's all flavored. Yummy flavors. Okay, now I'm going to add my garlic, the clove of garlic. I'm gonna let that cook about a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna add my chicken broth, a container of chicken broth. I'm gonna kind of scrape the bottom of the pan some to get up those nice bits, brown bits on the bottom. You can tell it kind of turns it a little dark colored. And I'm gonna add some minced onions. Some more pepper. A little bit more salt. Then I'll taste it after a while and see. Some more garlic powder and onion powder. I've got some frozen green beans. I'm gonna put them in. Some chopped carrots. That was 2 carrots chopped. Add some cabbage. A can of rinsed and drained kidney beans, or whatever kind of beans you like, or whatever kind you have on hand. And then I've got a can of these petite diced tomatoes and green chilies. Wipe my mess up. I'm so messy. Okay, and then I'm gonna stir this up. It looks pretty already. All those colors. Okay, and then I'm gonna, my pepperoncinis, I got some of these pepperoncini slices. I'm gonna add some juice. And then I'm gonna add some of the peppers. Let's see, right, like that. This gives it a really good flavor. I'm gonna add about a cup of water to make sure everything is covered good. I'm going to turn it off and saute. Cancel. Okay, I'm going to shut the lid. Shut on it. Oh, I played music. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on soup. And I'm going to do 45 minutes. Okay, it's on now. It's just got to come up to pressure. See you all when it gets done. See what it looks like. It looks good. See if everything's tender. Oh yeah, the carrots are so tender. I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs any seasonings. So good. It might need a little bit more salt. It's really spicy. A little bit more pepper, just a little. Really pretty. See those little pieces of smoked sausage and the carrots? Looks really good. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you have a great day.